You really need a British accent to sound fluent. You cannot start a sentence with and or but. Native speakers always use perfect grammar. It's too late to learn English as an adult. Let's find out how many of these myths you've fallen for and discover the truth about learning English the right way. So today, I'm busting 10 of the biggest English language myths that students and even teachers still believe. Let's go. Myth 1. You must speak with a native accent to sound fluent. Wrong! No, you don't. Fluency is about clarity and confidence, not your accent. Most English speakers around the world are non-native, and they communicate perfectly well. For example, water. 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 It depends if you're British, American, or Australian. But they're all clear, they're all correct. You all understood what I meant. Think about international pilots. They all speak differently, but everybody understands them. The second myth. Grammar is more important than vocabulary. Actually, vocabulary usually matters more in real-life situations. You can still communicate with small grammar mistakes, but not without the right words. Yesterday I go shopping. The grammar isn't perfect, but everyone knows what you mean. Please, water. Just 2 words. Clear communications. It's not grammatically correct. Tip. Learn some useful phrases. The grammar will catch up. You'll figure it out. We will still understand. Myth number 3. You can't start a sentence with and or but. This is one of those classroom myths that just won't die. Yes, you can start a sentence with and, but, or even because, especially in natural speech and storytelling. It's teachers that don't want us to do this, but you can do it. But I don't know. And that's when it all started. Tip. It's fine for speaking and informal writing, just don't overuse it in formal essays. Myth number 4. British and American English are completely different. They're really not. About 95% of English is the same across both. It's just small spelling, word or pronunciation differences. Example, colour, C-O-L-O-R, American. Colour, C-O-L-O-U-R, British. Truck, US. Lorry, UK. But for a tip, pick one style and stay consistent, but understand both. The 5th myth. You can't learn English if you're not young. That's not true. Adults can learn English just as well as kids. You just learn differently, not worse. For example, kids copy sounds easily, but adults remember rules better. Many adults become fluent later in life because they study with purpose. Tip. It's not about age. It's about consistency and motivation. Typically, adults have more motivation because kids tend to not want to learn in any language, not just in English. Myth number 6. You must think in English to speak fluently. This sounds nice, but it's not true at the beginning. At first, it's normal to think in your native language. With time and practice, your brain starts switching automatically. So in the beginning, you translate apple, manzana, apple. Later, you just say apple instantly. Practice with short English thoughts. I'm hungry. I'm late. Let's go. Tip. Don't force it. It happens naturally with practice. They do say when you start to dream in another language, when you start to dream in English, if you're Thai, if you're Spanish, then that is a good sign that your fluency is improving. Myth number 7. You can learn English quickly with shortcuts. I'm sorry to break it to you. There are no secret hacks. There are no 30-day fluency formulas. Apps, teachers, and videos help, but real learning takes time and repetition. It's the same with any language. It's the same with anything you want to learn and become proficient at. You wouldn't expect 6-pack abs after one gym session, right? It's the same with English. A little English every day beats studying for 1 hour a week. So, tip: treat English like fitness. Consistency is everything. Myth number 8. Native speakers always speak perfect English. No, they don't. Native speakers break grammar rules all the time. Fluency means sounding natural, not perfect. Always remember that. Examples. Me and my friends went out. Technically wrong, but everybody says it. I ain't got no money. Common, informal, completely natural. It's also a double negative, which makes it positive. Tip: don't copy mistakes, but don't fear them either. Myth number 9. Big words make you sound smarter. That's preposterous. Did you see what I did there? Actually, simple English sounds much more confident and natural. Big words can make your message confusing. Don't use words that you don't know. Don't try to sound smarter than you are. You'll get there, don't worry. Commence versus start. Utilize versus use. Clarity is king. The goal is understanding, not showing off. So use the vocabulary that you know. Build on it. Improve. Keep it simple at the start. Myth number 10. The 10th myth. You must study grammar before speaking. Nope. Grammar supports communication, but speaking builds it. You don't need perfect grammar to start talking. Examples. Children speak before they even learn grammar. The more you speak, the faster your grammar improves naturally. So tip: speak first, fix later. Practice makes progress. But we do always need practice, practice, practice. If you've watched the video this far, and thank you very much if you have, I'm going to give you a bonus myth. The best way to improve English is by studying. That's not true. Studying helps, but the best way to improve your English is to start speaking. You can read, watch videos, memorize grammar all day, but if you never open your mouth, you'll never build confidence. Join an English speaking club, talk with friends, or record yourself speaking. Even 5 minutes of daily speaking practice builds fluency faster than 1 hour of silent study. Tip: don't wait until you're ready. Start now. Fluency comes from speaking. So in this video, I did something intentionally to see if you would notice. For the 10 myths, sometimes I said 1, 2, 3, but sometimes I said first, second, and third, ordinal numbers. I mixed them up. Did you notice? You probably didn't. That was intentional, just to show you that regardless of what you say, people will still understand. So, which of these myths do you still believe? What are you going to start doing? You're going to start speaking. Don't worry about getting it wrong. People get it wrong all the time. We learn from our mistakes. So again, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Think about subscribing. That way you won't miss any more videos. And if you want to watch another video, click here. This is a video recommended by YouTube. Thank you guys. See you next time.